Hello, geels. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm doing this voice. But hello, people. Let's get in this one. Hello. Hello, people. Hello. Hello. Okay, we almost got 6. Yes, hello. What? What? One Real Studios what? What? I'm so confused. Did like a creator just join my game or something? I'm so confused. I'm confused because I just got a award. Oof, why do I look like this? I don't know. I don't understand. But today, guys, we are playing Jigsaw's Revenge. It is a similar game to the Trials. We're playing that today. And we're gonna open all these boxes. And find it in the greetings. Why am I doing this voice? Why am I not doing a scary voice? You will have 6 seconds before the doors will be locked permanently. Only in finding a key before the time is up can you open one of them and make your escape. There is a key in 5 of the wooden crates in front of you. Fail to leave this room before the time is up, and you will end up rotting in here for good. Let the game begin. Sorry, that was good. Let me open it. I need a key. I need a key. Open up this freaking box. Open it. Let me open. Let me quit. I found it! Number 5! Bruh, that was so close. I almost didn't make it. I was literally searching. Oh, okay, I know this one. I know what happens here. I think. Stop! But I made it to the next stage, so I'm happy about that. Because I made it, bruh. That was so close. Wait, just teleported me to the next stage. Strange. Probably because I was one of the last people. Ripping your mouth in the process. Oof. Think of it like a reverse bear trap. The only way to remove the device is with the key in front of you. That key can also be used to open the door behind you. As you exit your room, you will encounter 4 doors. Only time frame for remoting the device has expired. Those doors will be locked permanently. Fail to go through one of them in time, and you will remain in here for all eternity. Your time starts now. Let me go, let me go! Let me out, let me out! I got it! Ooh. I got it one. Yeah! Oh god, oof. Oof, I'm so scared. I'm so scared, bro. That I'm gonna die. Oof. Soon the cube at the top of the cylinder will change its color. Once it does, you will have 10 seconds to press the button, which is colored the same as the cube. Be the 4th to press the quarter of the button, and then the thing is facing you, and you die. If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot. Are you quick enough to stay alive? I was like so ready for that. I hope I was quick enough. Oh, it was her. Ooh. That was. Oof. Down to 3 people, guys. Oh, this. Ooh, I'm glad I got black. I'm wearing all black right now, so. Yeah, I'm glad I got black or red, because I'm wearing all black right now. In front of you, all are 3 dummies. A black, a red, and a white dummy. In front of each dummy is a saw between each in case containing a key. In the 19th seconds, unless stopping the saw, it will reach the dummy. Your goal is to protect a dummy. The dummy you are supposed to protect. Protect is the one colored the same as the door you entered this room from. Using the same colored keys as your dummy, which are located near the green doors, unlock the lock on your dummy. Once you have unlocked all of the locks, your dummy, the saw approaches it, will deactivate. Shortly after, the case below your dummy will open. Grab the key inside of the case and use it to open one of the green doors. However, once the time frame for protecting your dummy has ended, the green doors will be locked permanently. Your time starts now. I got one. Two more. Let's go. One more. One more key. Let's go, boys. One more key. One more key. Oof. Oof. I got in one of the doors. Oof. That was quick, boy. It's between them two. Oof. I'm so scared. I'm so close to beating this. Ooh. Ooh, he made it. It's the final test, guys. Will I win or will I lose? Congratulations to you both for making it this far. Unfortunately for you, only one of you can survive my game. Next to you are black and white lever. You will be constantly tasked with pulling one of them. React faster than your opponent by pulling the correct lever, and the saw will retire slightly. The game ends when the opposite opponent is dead, pretty much. Live or die, make your choice. Bruh. Bruh, come on, come on! Ooh. Oof, I messed up. Ooh. Oof, I messed I'm like so scared. Ooh. Oh, he left the game too. Bro, he left the game because he knew he was gonna lose. Congratulations, you are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive, but not you, not anymore. That boy literally, guys, did you see him leave? He literally left because he knew that I was gonna beat him. That's how you get someone to leave a game, I guess, and to win. That was so intense, though. But literally, I beat him. I beat him, guys. And you wanna know a secret? That was my first try playing this game. Literally, just like the trial, somehow I beat it slightly easy. Like, first try, bruh. First try, beat it. But I hope you like this, guys. And I hope you like this video. And, yeah. I hope you like it. See ya next time, Attack Doritos. Bye!